Hi, today I've got one of these 2015 Topps Platinum blaster boxes. Got this one at Target for $12.99. I don't think I've broke any Topps Platinum, but thought I would check it out for $12.99. They actually had a bunch of $12.99 boxes. This is the only one I picked up. 29 cards, and you should have a relic card, a rookie relic card. Let's go ahead and check this out. Let's see which pack the relic is in. Maybe I did break one of these, because I kind of remember that. Alright, so let's check out what we got here. Alright. Julian Edelman. Jason Pierre-Paul. Von Miller. I don't know, this one feels thicker. I don't know if this is a variation. I don't think it is. From the side they all look the same. For some reason it just feels thicker. Unless this is... God, maybe it is a variation, I'm not sure. They're so shiny, it's like... Oh, that one might be a variation of Javorius Allen. I think the last one's a variation. Julius Thomas. Rob Gronkowski. This is like a X-Fractor or whatever. Tyler Lockett. It's a good one to get. It's not numbered. And Trey Waynes. These are like a refractor or whatever, I think. These cards are so shiny, it's hard to even tell. But it definitely is a little different. Got a blue. Let's see, Frank Gore, Levante David, a blue Ty Montgomery. I seem to get a lot of Ty Montgomerys, huh? Not numbered. What's the point of making so many variations that aren't numbered? And we got a Jameis Winston. I know I say it a lot, but it just gets annoying. Like, so many variations not numbered. Jared Allen, Matt Ryan, Phillip Rivers, and Carlos Williams. Alshon Jeffrey, Eddie Lacy, Lamar Miller, and Philip Dorsett. Zach Ertz, Terrell Suggs, Devin Funchess, X-Fractor, and Vince Mail. No numbered cards, huh? These are pretty nice, though. I do definitely like the design. Oh, we got a die-cut camo. Chandler Jones, Darren McFadden. The last one is Jamison Crowder. And we got a Sammy Coates. Oh, this is like the breast cancer one. Not numbered? Seriously? Crazy. It's a cool looking card, though. Sammy Coates. Alright, and we'll check out the hit. Ty Montgomery. Oh. It's a good one. Kevin White. If he can ever get his career going. Just a really plain white jersey. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you on the next break.